The count is on as polls start closing in the US, and the world's eyes turn to who will be that country's 45th president. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we have the money. The EOJ says funds have been dispersed for Jamaica's local government election.
Legal action. The woman who was forced to give birth outside the Chapelton Hospital speaks out in a TVJ News exclusive.
Government removes GCT from a host of agricultural inputs, hundreds of farmers to benefit.
We will appear. The UWI is set to answer questions from parliamentarians tomorrow.
In the business news, Prime Minister says 5% growth could be achieved faster than targeted.
There is also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Which of the two U.S. presidential candidates, Hillary Clinton or Donald Trump, would you like to see win today's election and why?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.